We're in. This is our trade for the day. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number 21 of the funded eval. We finished the week green again, which is our fourth week in a row finishing green. That's pretty hype, not gonna lie. Let's get straight to the charts. That's why we're here. We make our way from top to bottom. So starting at the top, nice. Look at this. We are bullish on weekly, making new highs. Daily, broke whatever shit spell we were in. We are bullish. Down to the 4 hour. Probably going to be the same on the 4 hour, which we are. Breaking highs and making lows. 1 hour. Inverse this. Before we continue on, let's double check on Forex Factory. There's nothing today. I'm not going to lie, you guys. Recently, I've kind of scrapped the 1 hour key levels. In older YouTube videos, before I started using CE for entry, honestly, like I kind of relied on the key levels, and now I just don't even use them. I just stick to what's working for me, consequential encroachment, or for other people it's called equilibrium. That's just working for me, and for that to work, you don't really need 1 hour key levels. You can still mark them out though. Okay, so we're definitely going to be keeping an eye out on this. We'll see what market open wants to do, like what direction it heads as soon as it opens. And there's no news today, so we can't really get an idea of where news wants to push the market. But all right, well, we do have market open here in 30 seconds. The cook today again. What's up today, everyone? I like the CE trades that respect the 15-minute fair value gaps. Valid. I like that. Orders getting ready for Thursday. Bank move. Because if I'm not mistaken, that is when we either change the inflation rate. Okay, I wanted to enter off of that, but this is a scary candle down here. I don't want to be too aggressive. We're going to mark out the macro here. 750 to 810. And I think I'm going to make a video just with like the camera. I think I'm going to make a script here. I'm going to talk about my trading story, kind of where I came from, like the credibility that I have. So like what I've been through, my trading journey. Because not a lot of people know, right? They just see me from my videos, and we might be taking an entry based off of this fair value gap here. Get a good candle close to the upside and we enter. That's cooked. That's cooked, you guys. I really want to see this last macro fair value gap be touched. I just want to see what happens to this guy. I'm not interested in anything else. So this is exactly what we want to see. I might enter in smaller risk. I wouldn't consider that a close outside. I need a better candle close than that. Something like this. We're in. All right, so why did I enter this trade? Number one, right? Higher time frame. We're bullish on the weekly. We're bullish on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Number two, like we've taken out previous session lows, so London and Asia session lows. Number three, we make a fair value gap within the macro. So the time for the macro, 750 to 810, right? We make a fair value gap within that macro. We come back, retest, get a good wick to CE, which is essentially equilibrium, right? The 50% marker of our fair value gap right here. We wait for a good candle close, right? This guy closes right on the lip of the fair value gap. So I waited for the second one, get a good candle close there, and we enter based off that candle. Target recent high. This trade is a banger, brother. Dude, thank you. But yeah, win or loss, this is a great trade. No. No. Yo, that's cooked. Yo, we want Emo West stream. Yo, 24 people in here. What's up? Oh, shit, dude. Oh, damn. Hold on. We got to lock in. That's all right. Dude, that's crazy. JC, what's good, bro? Yo, that's a good trade for today. That's all for today. That was a good trade.